Hello everyone, my name is Taiwo Ajadi and I attend Kansas State University. I'm making a presentation about the operating system and the firewall presentation. This presentation is for my class server system or other known as Cyber 4220. The I actually created this presentation PowerPoint slide on August 29th of 2024. But this video is gonna be made on August 31st. So here in the first slide we have the presentation overview slash content. Basically a overview of what the presentation is going to be about. In this presentation I'll be covering the technical details and security adding recommendation for 2 operating systems and 2 firewalls that we'll be working with in our lab. I've researched this system to understand the technical features and have identified at least 3 key admin strategies for each. These recommendations are aimed at improving the security and resilience of the system. The information will be important for my presentation and our group paper in configuring our system part of the checklist assignment. So this is an overview of what the presentation is going to be about. It's going to be important for also our group projects as well. This presentation has 17 slides. We are currently on the second, so we're going to proceed to the third slide. What is operating system? What is an operating system? The world, the world's first operating system, GM slash dash NAAI slash O, was first introduced in 1956. Since then, there have been massive advancement in the operating system world. According to Geek4Geeks website, an operating system, otherwise known as OS, is a crucial system software that manages computer hardware and resources, serving as an interface between software application and the computer hardware. An operating system controls and monitors all computer operations, including both application programs and all the system software. Example includes Windows Server, Ubuntu, Linux, and Mac OS. The OS or operating system improves user experience by providing a user-friendly interface and includes device drivers to connect with hardware. It ensures that applications can operate efficiently without needing to understand the hardware specific, making it an essential component of every computing device. Here is a picture, or it's a logo of top operating system companies. So we have we have iOS, we have Linux, and I believe this is Windows. Then we also have a firewall. What is a firewall? According to Cisco, a firewall is a network security device that protects a trusted internal network from an untrusted external network, like the internet, by controlling and filtering incoming and outgoing traffic according to the set security rules. And so also we have what a firewall essentially is the break. Well, and then there's the internal computer, and then there's the public internet. So Windows Server 2022 with the integration for both x64 and ARM64 architecture, Windows Server 22 comes in standard data center and essential additions, each designed for particular organization's need. Windows Server properties includes enhanced security with secure core server capabilities, improved virtualization with support for nested virtualization, advanced networking with the server management block. I think that's what it is. Or system message block. System message block. I think that's what SMB is. Over QIC and HTTPS. So that is hypertext protocol secure. I think SMB is simple message block or server message block. I don't really remember. Right, it goes on port 445. So okay, so we have Windows servers hardening recommendations. So the first we have three points, and under each point are other points. So enable Windows Defenders antivirus and configure its settings. Ensure real-time protection is turned on. Regularly update the virus definition and configure automatic scanning schedules. Schedule window firewalls. Set up firewall rules to restrict inbound and outbound traffic to only necessary ports and service. Use group policy to enforce consistent firewall settings across the server environment. Implement least privilege principle. Regularly review and update user permission to ensure only necessary privileges are granted. Use role-based access control, other known as RBAC, to limit administrative rights. Ubuntu. So we're going to get into another operating system known as Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a well-known open source operating system built on Linux kernel. It is known for having a user-friendly interface and robust community support. And it was first created and regularly updated by Carnico Limited. I'm sorry, I couldn't pronounce that. Carnico Limited. Because of its reliability, security, and user friendliness, Ubuntu is widely used in server settings as well as personal computer. Regular Ubuntu updates contain security patch and kernel changes. Releases with LTS, also known as long-term support, guarantees stability and ongoing assistance. Docker and Kubernetes provide built-in support for containerization in Ubuntu. And here we have Ubuntu hardening recommendations. Updates and patch regularly. Use apt for apt is a command. So use apt for updates and patch. Enable unattended upgrades for automatic critical updates. Configure uncomplicated firewall, otherwise known as UFW. Enable UFW and create rules to allow only necessary service. Regularly review and update firewall rules. Disable unnecessary service. Identify and disable unneeded service using system CTL. System CTL is also I believe a Linux command. although I'm not too sure though. Review and configure service permission. And then we have Windows firewalls. Um, Windows firewall is a security feature that protects a device by controlling the network traffic that enters and exits it. Traffic can be filtered based on criteria such as source and destination IP addresses, IP protocols, and port numbers. It can be set to block and allow traffic based on the service and application installed, ensuring that only permitted applications can communicate over the network. Windows Firewall can use stateful packet inspection to monitor and filter network traffic based on active connections. It supports advanced firewall rules and policy for detailed traffic management. The firewall integrates with Windows Security Center and Group Policy for streamlined management. Management tools include Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security and group policy for configuring settings. Windows Firewall admin recommendation. We have implement firewall rules. Establish specific rules for incoming and outgoing traffic to control access. Utilize predefined rules for standard service and applications. And second, we have regularly update rules and policy. Periodically review and modify firewall rules to address evolving security requirements. Apply group policy settings to ensure consistency. And then 3, we have monitor and analyze log. Activate logging to record and examine firewall activity. Use these logs to identify and address any unusual or unauthorized traffic. And then we have IP table firewalls. So this is going to be the last firewall for the presentation. IP table is a command line used to configure the Linux kernel built-in firewall. It allows administrators to create rules that manage both incoming and outgoing network traffic. These rules offer strong security by specifying which network packets are permitted and which are blocked, thereby safeguarding Linux system from data breaches and unauthorized access. IP tables support packet filtering, network address translation, otherwise known as NAT, and stateful inspection. It allows for creation of complex rule sets and custom chains. The tool integrates with various modules to extend its functionality. Management tools include the IP table command line utility and NF table. It's modern replacement. And then we have IP table firewalls recommendation. Define and apply specific rules. Create clear and specific rules for both inbound and outbound traffic. Using chains to manage traffic flows and apply rules based on source, destination, and service. And 2, we have implement stateful inspection. Utilize connection tracking to monitor and manage stateful connection, ensuring that rules are in place for establishing related connections. And then lastly, we have regularly backup and review rules. Regularly backup IP table configuration and periodically review and update rules to adapt to new security requirements. And in summary, for the entire presentation, to secure Windows Server, activate Windows Defender antivirus, set up precise firewall rules, and follow the principle of least privilege. For Ubuntu servers, keep the system secure by performing regular updates using UFW to restrict Ubuntu firewall to restrict. I don't know if that's what that means, but use UFW to restrict unnecessary traffic and disable servers that are not in use. Windows Firewall establish detailed traffic rules, frequently update policy, and review logs for any unusual activity. For tables, create clear rules, utilize stateful inspection, ensure configuration are backed up regularly, continuous monitoring, and prompt updates, basically quick updates, are essential for adapting to new threats, helping to keep systems secure and resilient against new emerging vulnerabilities. And here are the reference for operating system has the slides title and then the slides number. We have firewall and we have all that. And then this is a continuation of the reference or this website that I did get the information from. So anyway, that's it for today's presentation on operating systems and firewall. Hopefully this helped, and thank you.